Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. Today I'm gonna do another hair video. This is gonna be a simple, quick little crochet hair tutorial, which I've been doing a lot lately. Anyways, I don't want to keep yapping too much. I'm just gonna speed to the beginning of this video. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with our hair braided down. This is actually an old braid down that I had from my last video. Making sure to oil that scalp, because if you're gonna reuse your old braid down, it needs to be moisturized. This is the hair that I'm using today. It is BobbiBoss's Human Hair Blend Feather Crochet in the color number 4, and it's their pattern Deep Wave. Now guys, this hair is silky, okay? All the products that I am using will be linked down in the description box below. I will try my best to make sure it's in there. The length I think is 20-inch, but I wanted to show you guys this, like the crochet thread. I feel like compared to the one on the right, the crochet thread on this one is so much thinner than like the ones I've used before, and you can see it on my old videos as well. The thread is so thin, like look at it going through right now. It's so thin. I think that's kind of a good thing though, because then you can't really see the thread, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, you're just going to be watching me do the perimeter of my hair, and then once I'm done with the perimeter, I'm going to go on to the actual braids. Always start with the perimeter because you don't want to put too much in the back, okay? And once that's done, I'm going to cover up that middle part that I had in the back of my head by just crocheting that part through, so that way when I turn my head, you ain't seeing nothing. I kind of love the texture of this hair. It looks like my hair is going for a swim. Like, I kind of like that. At this part, I'm just gonna be going back around the perimeter just to make sure that there are no gaps. And look at the length of this hair. It's so bouncy and juicy. Like, I can't stop talking about this hair. And you know what, guys? Halfway through, I realized I don't really want a middle part. I want a flip over. So we're just gonna go ahead and crochet that middle part to close that gap. And that's what I love about crochet. Like, you could just say, you know what, I don't want this no more. I'm a shapeshift. And I did with this curl pattern, because look at it when I brushed it out. One side is completely brushed out, and then the right side of my head is the natural curl pattern that it came with. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Oil the hair, just like put a bunch of hair on it and then just brush it out, and I'm telling you, it's gonna give you those nice scissor vibes. And then of course shape up that hair, all that, and then this is what you're gonna be left with. Like, guys, it looks so good. Oh, I can't get over this hair. The fact that this look only took me an hour and a half is crazy. Like, I am scissor, scissor is me. It's so long. It's so long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video actually really helped you out, especially because the price tag on this is insane. Like $20 for some crochet hair. Yes, especially since it's so viral right now. Like, you don't have to break your bank in order to get it. Like, why were we even doing that in the first place? If you did try this hairstyle, definitely let me know in the comments, because I would love to see how it turned out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that bell on, please. So I will see you guys on the next one.